Welcome students. Today I take a science subject, chemistry, unit 10, matter around us. What do you mean by matter? Matter is anything that occupies space. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. What are the three states of matter? Solid, liquid and gas. In solid substance, for example, book, table, chair. In liquid substance, for example, water, milk and oil. In gaseous substance, for example, oxygen, carbon dioxide and balloon. In matter is classified into two broad categories. The first one, pure substance. Second one, mixtures. In pure substance, compounds and elements. And mixtures, they have two types, homogeneous mixtures, heterogeneous mixtures. Let us see about the elements. Matter in its simplest form, that is known as element. We are using many elements in our daily life. So pure substance that cannot be broken down by chemical methods into simpler compounds. For example, common salt. What's the formula for common salt? Sodium chloride, NaCl. The common salt consists of two elements, sodium and chlorine. Water, what's the formula for water? H2O. Then water consists of two elements, hydrogen and oxygen. In the modern periodic table, the Robert Boyle is the first scientist used the term of element. In the modern periodic table, there are 118 elements are known, 92 of which are naturally occurring, while the remaining 26 have been artificially created. In the periodic table, the most common elements use the first letter of their English name. For example, boron, B, carbon, C, hydrogen, H. In the beginning, the name of an elements were derived from the name of the place where they were found for the first time. For example, name copper was taken from cuprous. Some names were taken from specific colors. For example, gold was taken from the English word meaning yellow. Nowadays, IUPAC approves name of elements. Many of the symbols are the first one or two letters of the element's name in English. The first letter of a symbol is always written as a capital letter and the second letter as a small letter. For example, aluminium, Al, helium, He, lithium, Li. Next, some elements is made up of only one kind of an atoms. For example, aluminium is an element which is made up of only one aluminium atoms. What do you mean by atoms? Atoms is the smallest particle of an element that still has the same properties of that element. In these atoms, the center part, nucleus, it has the protons, positive charge, electrons have a negative charge and neutrons have a neutral charge. Next we will move to molecules. A molecule is made up of two or more atoms chemically combined. For example, oxygen. Then oxygen molecules consist of two atoms of oxygen, O2. In hydrogen molecules consist of two atoms of hydrogen, H2. In ozone is a substance that is made up of three oxygen atoms chemically combined. So atoms is the smallest unit of one element. For example, hydrogen, oxygen and magnesium. In molecules is the smallest unit of pure substance. That means for a molecule is made up of two or more atoms chemically combined. Then hydrogen and oxygen is combined with the water molecules. I hope all are understood the topic. Thank you for listening, students.